Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amanda. Happy birthday to you. Okay.
Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3?
Now here's a special greeting from Holly. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
What else do you want to tell her?
I don't know.
Reedy, you want to say happy birthday, Amanda?
Happy birthday to you.
Danny, you want to say happy birthday to Amanda?
Happy birthday, Amanda.
We love you, Amanda.
We love
Have a
you.
great day.
Bye.
You want to hold it?
Quiz movie.
Okay, you guys can see it. Danny, say bye.
Bye. What?
You want to see? Say bye.
I love you. Bye. I love you.